So we are going to first set up a password policy for our account. So on account settings on the left-hand side, we click on change password policy, and here we can enforce a password policy. For example, a password minimum length. We can require one uppercase, one lowercase, one number. You can customize your password policy as you wish, and then click on save changes. This password policy enhances the security of your account. The second thing we need to do is to set up MFA for our root account. So the root account is, again, very important to protect because it has full power of your account. And so as a note, this is something I'm going to do in front of you for demo. You don't have to do it. And if you do it, then you have a higher security on your account. But if you lose your MFA token, then you will be locked out of your account. So again, you can just see what I'm doing and not follow the hands-on if you want. And so we can click on the account name on the right-hand side, top right, and click on My Security Credentials. This takes us to this page where we can click on multi-factor authentication, and we're going to activate MFA to protect our account. So we have three options. We have virtual MFA, U2F security key, or other hardware MFA device. Because we want to use our phone, we're going to use a virtual MFA device. Here we have a list of compatible applications we can use to set up MFA. And so on this web page, you can have a look, but by scrolling down for the virtual MFA applications for Android and iPhone, we can use all of these in this list. My personal favorite is to use Authy. So there's Authy for Android and Authy for iPhone, and it is a free application that I really like. So let me show you how this works. So we are in here, and I'm going to show the QR code. Next, I'm going to start Authy on my phone. So Authy is started on my phone, and I'm going to go and add an account, scan a QR code, and I will scan the QR code right here. It's adding the account, so you need to make sure that you're happy with the logo as well as the account nickname. So everything looks good to me. I will click on save, and here I get a code. So the first MFA code I have to enter in this box, so 982235, and then I have to wait an extra 15 seconds for the new code to appear. And my next code is 185612. So they're linked. I assign the MFA, and it is successfully assigned the MFA. So we'll be prompted to use an MFA next time that we log in into our accounts. So to do so, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to log out of my AWS accounts right here, and I'm going to sign in the console again. I will use my root user, and I will enter my email. And then I will enter the MFA token I am getting from my device, so 250955. Click on submit, and here I go. I am connected into my management console using MFA. So that's it. MFA is set up for my root account. Once you do so, please make sure not to lose your phone or your MFA device, because then you will be locked out of your account. So this is something very important not to lose. And I hope you like this lecture. I will see you in the next lecture.